Today, we are going to be reviewing the style and durability of some new side steps. So let's take you over here. We'll be finally getting rid of these chrome side steps that I don't like. And we're going to be replacing those with some black. Let's see, what's the brand? This is the brand right here. These Tiger side steps available on Amazon. Links will be in the description. But let's pull these babies out of the box and see what we got. Okay, so here is what we got. They look pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, the design here, you either love it or hate it, but doesn't bother me too much. It'd be nice if it was cleaner and just nothing. But I can live with that over the chrome. It's got the nice little wrinkle finish to it. Again, you can love that or hate it. One thing is these things look pretty long in the box. So I'm going to measure them next to the truck to make sure they're the right size, but I'm pretty sure they are. So the next steps are, this is pretty straightforward. This is the driver's side, but you just got to take off those 4 bolts on the old ones. Just a straight remove and replace, and then put these in. I don't know how I'm going to support it by myself, trying to put it on, but we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna line this up, measure it up, and then put the passenger side on, and we'll see how it looks. So prepare. Let's get one last look at the chrome. So that's what it looks like now. Okay, so we are under the truck right now, and you can see these 3 bolts on the existing step rail. Got to remove 3 from each one of these mounts here. So what size is that? Let's see. Which size are we working with? Ooh, perfect. 13 mil. I always like to try, because on these Fords you got standard and you have metric, so I always like to try both. See that? So this is standard, it's 1/2 inch. So we're just gonna take these bolts out, drop this old one off, and then start seeing how to mount the new Tiger side steps. So there you go. All right, let's get going down here. Gonna use these little foam blocks that came with it to support this bar when it tries to fall down on me. We'll see how that works. When you're just doing this in your driveway, you have to improvise. Let's roll. Trusty Ryobi. And I am not sponsored by Ryobi, that's for sure. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Sponsored by motivation. That's good. Okay. It wants to come down. This way. All right, let's get the front. Let's get the front. Okay. All right, it's gonna want to drop. Let's see. That was easy. That thing is pretty light. All right, let's get back out and pull that on out and see what we got. Okay, we're back with the new bars, and it is tight in here. Again, I like working on lifted trucks because it's much easier underneath. But this one is not that way. So let's get under here and try not to get hurt. Okay. So they want us to take these out. Get this out of there. Gotta stay out of harm's way down here. All right, let's try this. All right. Gotta learn to work on your own, kids. These are the little clips you gotta put on there. I don't know if you can see that, but and they're going on pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Maybe I smoked too soon. Helps to have a little screwdriver. Now let me rest this. The bolts that come with the new one are a different size. Let's see what you can see on there. So we just gotta put one more set of clips in, and we'll be ready to mount this up in the front. There's some pretty quality hardware that comes with this kit. I'll show you one of the setups. We got the hex bolt, washers. Put one of the washers, and so that's the assembly that goes into this clip on the top. So there's two that go on the top like that. Not bad. These little clips go into the frame, or into the body, I should say. And then in the bottom, you just put a hex nut through with two lock washers. I'm sorry, two washers. And actually this one, you put a lock washer on it as well. And did I put one on there? Uh-oh. I think I might have forgot one on that one. Let me check. Yep, I put it on wrong. I'm glad I looked at that. Turn this around. There we go. All right, now back to what I was saying. So this will go on like so. So the top bolts go on like with a hex nut, lock washer, and then goes into this clip that's stuck in the body. That's what the top assembly looks like. And then for the bottom, you just put another washer on. You put this, well, you thread this through the pinch weld. You put this bolt through the pinch weld. And then on the other side, you put another washer. Another lock washer. And then one of these nuts. See, let's see if I get. So that's what that assembly is going to look like. If you can see that there. All right, so I'm gonna put the clips on the front and start mounting this baby up. I need two clips and the bolts. There we go. That was no easy, well, it wasn't hard, but it was a pain in the butt, let's just say that. So, how does it look? Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. No more chrome. We're gonna rock this for a while and see it at some different angles, and then we'll see if we want to change it to the amp steps sometime down the road. Well, time to do the other side. All right, we're done for the day. I decided to come to a different location so we can get a good look at those side steps. Not bad, not bad. Looking pretty cool. Put that. It definitely looked better than the chrome. Much better. I'm happy with it. We're gonna roll like that. see what they look like. Let's see what they at. We'll see how they hold up. Let's see how they hold up. I will report back. It's kind of windy out here. Hope you guys can hear me. But there it is. 350 dually with the black side steps. Well, if you like these kind of videos and you want to learn more about diesel truck 6.0, specifically Super Duties, then subscribe to the channel. Let me hear your comments. What do you think about the steps? Anything. So, this is your boy OD from Mad Trucks. I'm out. See you in the next video.